everybody, it is Mariah with Budget with Mariah, and today I am bringing a new video. It is the Collect Those Bells Box Challenge by Budget with Amanda and Budget with Jordan, and the reason why I am bringing a new game in is because we are saving for the wedding finally. After like 3 years, we're finally starting to save for the wedding. So instead of putting the money directly into the wedding binder, I figured why not do a box challenge with it, and then we can add it in after we get the whole box challenge done, just to kind of make it more fun for me. So let's go ahead and look and see. So this is the cover page. And then section 1, a bunch of like fruits and wood, bamboo. Section 2, there are a bunch of different like fossils and stuff. And then 3, you have all of your like fish, we get going and fishing and stuff. So jellyfish, crab. And then section 4, you have all of your critters, your spiders, your butterflies. And then section 5, pretty sure these are the people in the game. I haven't played the game before, but I want to. So I'm not sure who everybody's names are or anything. Hopefully someday soon. And then section 6, you have like your workbench, your regular sitting a bench. There you go. I can't even speak. All right, and then you have your grill, and then you have Plinko, which I've never played this one before, I don't think. So I'm excited to see how that goes. And then your catch-all. So yeah, and so today's video we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and $20 to work with. And let's go ahead. I already shuffled these before the video, but I will go ahead and shuffle them again with you guys. All right, and the first one we have is, that would be a character. So, get right here, I think. Yep, right here. And that is a save 7. So we'll put 5, 6, and 7. All right, kind of mark that one off. And then optional bonus, I think I'm going to do like, so the video and the game will go longer. I think I'm going to do the bonuses next time if I draw this one again. I'm going to set that one off to the side. And then our next one is another search and save. So that one was going to be with the fossils. So cross that one off and put, oh, all right, yeah, do this first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, put that in there. And then come back over here and put the $7 here. All right. And then we are done with that card. All right, bonus times 3. Oh no. How many we got? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we got $8 left. All right. So 3 times 3 is 9. And that's here. And I'm pretty sure I just said I had $8. So this is gonna be our first IOU. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and $8 there. We will go ahead and cross off that one. And let me find my IOUs right there. My very first IOU, you guys. Playing a game. All right. So All right, I owe you and $1. So now in section 5 has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and $15. And we're just gonna stick that behind there, like that. And then I will put that right there, and then flip to section, we're not on section 3, section 2. Section 2 has 1, 2, $1, 2, 3, $4, and $5. And I will stick that back there, and I will see you guys, I'm gonna put this back in here first, but I will see you guys next week when we do this one again. Bye.